Welcome to our video. We will be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 5 Nike Edition. On the back, it says that the watch is space gray with an aluminum case, anthracite/black Nike sport band. It includes an Apple Watch band charging cable and USB power adapter. And it is 44 millimeters, so it is the bigger one with the bigger screen. Now, if you just take off the plastic wrapping and then lift those flaps carefully, it is a well-made box. Very protective. Just gotta get that flap open. And then on the side, it says Series 5 Space Gray Aluminum Case, 44 millimeters. That's the box where the Apple Watch is stored in. On the back, it lists some more information, such as what it includes. Now, if we take out the other little box, it comes with the Apple Watch band, black Nike sport band of anthracite. And on the back, it says the same thing, except in different languages. Inside the box, you can see a lot of Apple Watches. Now, time to open the box. Inside, you will see that there is a covering that says that it is designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. And it also lists instructions on how to open your band box and get started with your Apple Watch to link to your phone. There was a USB power adapter, a charging cable, and inside of this little pocket, there is an Apple Watch screen face. Protected so it won't get scratched. See, not a scratch. Pretty nice. Very robust. Like my friend Giancarlo would say. Just gonna link that in the description for you to follow. Now we are trying to get into the Apple Watch band. Oh, it was on the other side. Okay. You just have to tear that little plastic thing and then lift in the little gap, and then you just slide out the contents. Now it says Apple Watch and has the Nike symbol, and it says how to attach the band. So you just slide it in until you hear a click, and then to put it on is listed there. Now the band comes in two different sizes. There is a small/medium and a medium/big. The other side of the band is necessary for everyone because you want to be able to lock it onto your wrist. Really nice. Here are some of the instructions on how to link your Apple Watch to your phone. On the back, it says the watch face, the digital crown, side button, and charging, and it gives details on those. Here is the manual for you guys to read about your Apple Watch, the battery life, the safety and handling, and other stuff like that. And here's the watch. Now we are sliding in the watch band onto the Apple Watch. Just slide until you hear a click. It's kind of hard to put on. Now, the Apple Watch is trying to find a phone to pair it with, preferably an iPhone. And has to be updated in our case. What a nice screen. Still checking for updates. Oops, we can't show that. Okay, now here's some information on how to use the Apple Watch. Thank you for a time with us. Bye!